To some, a trophy is measured in inches. It's about setting the bar and not settling for anything less. The adversity, the grind, the opportunities, they're all part of the journey, but the mission isn't complete until a specific goal has been reached. For some, it's all or nothing. To others, the trophy is measured in the miles, the stories, the experiences, and the memories. It may be something you can physically grasp, but its worth, its weight, is often heavier on the heart and in the mind. No matter the unit of measure, the trophy is in the eye of the beholder.